Okay, those who are joining, I welcome all of you. 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 There is a big news coming. So I want us to talk about that news and then maybe a possible trade we can take whilst we wait for that news. Let me share my screen with you. Let me share my screen with you right now. I'm sharing one of my live trades on gold. Although there's a bigger news coming, but I want to share this trade with you. It's a gold trade, but I don't know how many of you can catch it. So I have taken this trade, but I've just realized that it is possible we can make some 20, 30 pips out of it before the news comes at an hour time. So if you are here with me, please just mute yourself. I think I have to mute everyone here. I have to mute everyone. I have to mute everyone. Please, I have to mute everyone. Just mute yourself when you join. So I'm looking forward to mute everyone here. Okay, mute all. Yes. Okay, so this is a live account. It's actually a live account. I've taken a sell on gold at the moment. So if you have some money on your account, please, you can take a sell on gold at the moment. Although the market is currently, gold is, this is on the 5-minute time frame, actually. This is on the 5-minute time frame. Gold is actually making a big highs, but we are looking for a sell at this very moment. So because of the news that is coming, I would suggest that you use a small lot size, 0.01. 0.01 should be the lot size. I am also in a Euro GBP, Euro USD trade. Euro USD also a sell. So choose one. Because of the news that is coming, choose only one. So you choose either gold or you choose Euro USD. Choose only one and go for a sell. And go for a sell. Already I've entered a sell for gold and I've also entered a sell for Euro USD. You can see this is 5-minute time frame. So if you're watching, you can just open your account. If it's gold you want to take, please give it a lot size of 0.01 because the news is coming, 0.01. But if it's Euro you want to take, you can also give it 0.01 if your account is less than $50. If your account is less than $50, I repeat, if your account is less than $50, give it 0.01. 0.01 if your account is less than $50. But if your account is more than $50, with gold, still give it 0.01. With gold, still give it 0.01. All right? If it is not gold and it is Euro USD and your account is more than $100, sorry, more than $50, you can give it 0.02. 0.02. And we want to catch some 20, 30 pips before the news. The news will come in an hour time. Yes, the news will come in an hour time. So let's see if we can catch some trades before the news. Is that okay? So this is the trade I want us to give and to monitor. If you have the time, just be here. If you want to see my stop loss and take profit, let me put it here for you to see. My take profit price is here. If you look at my TPs, they are here. If you look at where I'm pointing the arrows, that is where my TPs are. So my TP for Euro USD, my TP for Euro USD is, I think that is 1.07138. 1.07138. That is my TP for Euro USD. That's the TP here. 1.07138. That's my TP for Euro USD. But my TP for gold is also Okay. My TP for gold is 1 point, sorry, not 1 point, it's 1940.37. Some are calling me, no problem. Let's do this. So that is what I want to give out. We will monitor for a while. Since we have some little time to monitor, I want us to monitor and see how it goes. Okay. Now this account is just $100. And as we speak right now, when you look at something here, I have entered about 3 or 4 trades. And if you look, you will see that my total balance at the moment is going low. About 63 now. About 63. Almost 64. It is because I have given gold a huge lot size, but that is okay. And I've entered 1, 2 trades. You see the number of trades I've taken, 2, 1, 2 on gold. If gold wants to get crazy, it will get crazy, but that is that. Let's watch and see what happens. Okay, you are all here with me. I have 30 people here at the moment. And so we want to see what will happen in a few minutes. If you just joined me, I have given you the gold signal, a sell. I've given you Euro USD to a sell. So go ahead and take them and let's see how it goes. If you want to try it, try it. If you don't want to try it too, that's fine. Before the news comes at 6. So whatever you want to do it now and let's see how it goes. But I'm here to monitor with you so that we all see what will happen. Okay? So that we all see what will happen. All right? So that is this trade for you. That is our first trade. Yesterday, I was trying to come live, but unfortunately, I couldn't. So let's see what will happen today. Let's see what we can get today. All right. This is a gold trade I'm showing you. And this is, let me go back to the Euro trade. Euro, you see, Euro is beginning to do its movements to the downside, but still slow. But no matter what happens, we are waiting for that movement. Yes. And like I told you earlier, there is a news coming, and I have given you the screenshots in the groups already. If you look at that news, it's a very crazy news that is coming, a very crazy one, of course. Fed interest rates is a very serious news that is coming. So if you do not have enough account balance, you don't trade the news at all, especially when it comes to the news that is coming. So it's 5 p.m. now, my time. So we allow with an hour to go to NFP news. Sorry, NFP, interest rates. NFP is also from US. So, but this is interest rate decision news that is coming at 6 p.m. my time, which is an hour from now. It's an hour from now. So let's wait for it. It's on USD. So it's going to be a very great news, a very strong news. So let's all watch out. But like I said, if you have to pick some trades, I have given 2 trades already. Gold, a little sell for us to pick some 20-30 pips. And then also, those who are now joining, please, when you join, we are muting all of you, your mics. So if you have anything to ask, please, you can type your message. I'll read and see what you want to ask. If you want to ask anything whilst we are in this session, just type. Okay, just type it and I'll see it. If you have anything, just type at the comment section and I'll read it. Is that okay? Yes. So if you have anything you want to ask, you can just ask. Type it at the comment section. Yes. Type it at the comment section and I'll read it. Because I don't want to unmute ourselves and then the talking will become destructive. Is that okay? I'm sure you understand me. So just type your question. If you have any question, type it, I'll read it. But I have given the signal already. Euro, USD, I have given a sell. And gold too, I have given a sell. So you can enter and let's see how it goes. If you have $50 and below, just go with 0.01. Go with 0.01. If you have $100 or $50 and above, if it is gold, still, I will suggest that because of the news coming, go with 0.01. But if you have more than this thing, you want $50 and you want to go for the Euro USD, you can go 0.02. Yes, you can go 0.02. So that is the instruction. And we are targeting only 20, 30 pips. We are targeting only 20, 30 pips. Only 20, 30 pips. We are all here, 20, 30 pips. That is what we are targeting. If you have entered earlier, like I told you, you should begin to see some nice movements with the sell. Okay. Let me see gold also. Okay, I pray. As for gold, it can do its own thing, but we are watching it with our own eyes to see what happens. So this is on the 5-minute time frame. I'm actually showing you this on the 5-minute time frame so that you can see the chart well the way I want you to see it. Okay, so that is that. Gold, I have given a sell, and then Euro USD too, I have given a sell. Okay, Euro USD, this is Euro USD 5 minutes. I have given a sell. All right, I have given what? A sell. And then gold also, I have given what? A sell. Yes. So those are the instructions. And we are targeting only 20, 30 pips. Only 20, 30 pips, and we are good to go. Okay, so let me check the chat and see if some of you have put some questions or some stuff for me to read. Let me check. Are there some things you guys are asking? Let me check. Let me check. 7 messages. Okay. Okay, let me read from the top. This one says, "Hi, Kofi, can't really hear you out, please." Oh, really? You can't hear me? Oh. Okay. This one is asking, can I see a stop loss on gold USD? Okay. And this one says, are we gonna trade the news coming up? Let's see how this trade will go. If it goes well, and then it gives us what we want, maybe we can monitor the news and see what to do. This one says, "Hi, Kofi, what's the time frame for the trades we have taken?" Like I said, it's 5 minutes. 5-minute time frame. Well, this one says, "I can't get your voice." Is it really true that you can't hear me? How many of you can hear me? Please type it out if you really can't hear me. This one says, "Say, I can see you, but there's no volume. I can't hear you." Really? Wow, looks like no one is hearing me. Is that true? But it's indicating here seriously that it's you are hearing me. Why? Yeah. Hello. Is it that the mic is low? I think you should hear me now. I don't know. This one is saying, "Please, sir, for that currency strength meter, how do we place our stop loss?" You are asking a different topic over here. Okay. This one is saying, "I'm on $20 gain." Okay. This one is saying, "I'm hearing." Yeah, so it means people are hearing me then. This one says, "I do hear you." Okay. I can hear you. Okay, nice. I was wondering, those who said they can't hear me. I can hear you. Okay. I can hear you. I can hear you very well. Okay. I hear you. I have $500. I'm using lot size of 5. That is too much. A lot size of 5 is too much. $500. Which of the trades are you going for? Is it the dollar or the euro? $500 is too much, honestly. Sorry, lot size 5 is too much. It's too much. Please, if you haven't taken the trade, maybe $500, go with 0.10 if you want to go on the Euro USD. 0.10 if you want to go on the Euro USD. But if you want to go on the gold trade, go with 0.05. On the gold trade, go with 0.05. Yes. Okay, someone saying it's from their end. That's why they can't hear you. Okay. I can hear you well. Okay. Okay, says my voice is not coming out. Okay, that is actually the problem. This one says I'm using 1 lot size. Wow, what is your account then? Anyway, it's good. This one is saying I'm going for gold. Oh, okay. A few of us here are going for gold. This 2,000. If your account is 2,000, yeah, then you can go for the one lot size. Then you can go for the one lot. You can go for the one lot then. It's just unfortunate, but it's cool. I entered these trades early, but that is all still the same. That's cool. Let me see gold. Gold. What is gold saying? Okay, now what's gold saying? Tell me something good. Okay. All right. Let's see what happens. Gold is still. Let me check this. Let me check this here. Let me check this here. Whilst we are still monitoring the trades. Yes, we are still monitoring the trades. Okay. Okay, I see. All right, that's fine. That's okay. Let's see how it goes then. So this one says I went for gold. Oh, okay. You went for gold. All right. So 39 people doing the watching now. Okay. This is live trading session. Let's see what happens. If you went for gold, those who went for euro, those who went for whatever. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm here. Okay, so with what you are seeing here, they are telling me that, you see the red sign here, it's telling me that the account I have $100 in the account, and they are telling me that I've exhausted almost half of it, more than half, $67 out of the 100. So I'm only left with 33, right? If you look at it here, you see the equity is 34. So this is what I'm left with on the account. Okay, so we see what happens. We are on the two trades. Those who are going for gold, you go for gold. Those who are also going for the Euro USD, you go for the Euro USD. So let's see Euro USD at the moment and see how it is. This is Euro USD. It's still here. Euro USD is still here. It's still here. And then gold is also here. Okay. We are here to see what happens. So like I said, if you are just joining me, make sure you use a moderate lot size, because we have a great news coming. A major news is coming. A major news is coming. So because of the major news coming, we don't want to maybe over risk, if I'll put it. We don't want to over risk. So you just use a minimized lot size or a moderate lot size. Is that okay? All right, so we keep on monitoring. We are here. We are here. This is gold on the 5 minutes. And then this is Euro USD also on the 5 minutes. Euro USD also on the 5 minutes. So time frame, I mean the time frame we are using is 5 minutes. This is Euro USD. And then this is gold. So a few more minutes, let's see what happens. I'm actually using the free version of Zoom. So our meeting can only last for 40 minutes. Yes, our meeting can only last for 40 minutes. So let's see how things go, okay? Let's see how things go. We are still here. Let's see how it goes. Okay, the balance has come down to 58. It used to be 60 something. Now it's at 57, 58. Like I told you, my account balance is 100. If you can see the balance over here, 100. This is a live account. It's on $100. So let's see how it goes. Those of you on gold, I told you the minimized lot size is used. This is Euro USD. Those of you in Euro USD, you should be seeing some profits now. Yeah. Those of you in Euro USD, you should be seeing some profits now. Yes. This one, I'm going for gold. Okay. I went for gold. I'm really scared of this gold, honestly. How can someone calculate 20 pips on MT5? This is your question. Is this still safe to take gold? Yes, it is. It is. We are in it. Live from Nigeria. I love your teaching, sir. Do you have a physical class? Yes, I do. I have a physical class. So you may have to contact me on WhatsApp. You have to contact me on WhatsApp if you want to be in my physical class. You contact me on WhatsApp. I have given the WhatsApp number on most of my videos. But this one is asking, is the news only affecting the US pairs? Yes, that is true. The news is affecting only the US dollar pairs, but it will also cause the overall market to move. It will cause the overall market to move. The reason being that most of these currencies, they depend on the dollar. Because most of the currencies depend on the dollar, it's going to cause almost all the currencies to have a movement. But the most ones that will be affected are the USD pairs. They are the ones going to be affected the most. They are the ones going to be affected the most. Yes. So that is that on that one. That is that on that one. So let's see how it goes. We are almost 15 minutes into this trade. 15 getting to 20 minutes. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, almost 20 minutes into this trade. So let's see. If you have more questions, you can ask, and I will answer them. If you have more questions, just put them out there. I'm reading the questions and I'll answer them. But like I said, we have taken these 2 trades and want to see how they will go. Yeah. Gold, sell, and then Euro, USD also, we are looking at a sell. This is a 5-minute time frame. This is a 5-minute time frame. So let's see what happens. If you have more questions, you can ask. Okay, someone is asking that, how do you know that these trades will be selling? Okay, I do analysis. I have analysis that I do before I come to this conclusion. Yes, I have a trading strategy, if I'll put it. I have a trading strategy that I use in doing the analysis. So that is how come I'm able to come up with the trades. So I do the analysis, and then when I see it, then that is when I come on the Zoom live room to tell you that let's do this or let's do that. Yes. Can we take the Zoom again when we have the new session? Okay, I'll see that. Let's wait and see. If everything be equal and we can do that, why not? If everything comes the way we want it, we can do that. Yes. If it comes the way we want it, we can do that. Yeah. So for now, we are only on this one. So I think the news will come at the time that we have ended. Yes, we would have by the time the news will come out, we would have ended this meeting. So if all of you are requesting that we come back live again during the news time, then maybe 5 minutes to the news, I'll post the Zoom link again. 5 minutes to the news, I'll post the Zoom link again, which will be a different Zoom link for us to monitor the news and see how the news is going to cause the market to shake. Yes, the news is actually going to cause the market to shake. And the truth of it is that we do not know what direction the news will be going, because we don't know whether the news will be positive or negative for the currency. So if you have seen the screenshot that I sent in the group, you see the details of the news. I sent a screenshot in the group. When you look at that screenshot, you see the details. So that will be able to tell you what is coming. But we do not know the outcome of the news yet. It is now that the news is about to come. So we will have to wait and see the outcome of the news before we can take a decision. Yes. Yes. Unless we see the outcome of the news before we can all decide to take a decision. But now that we haven't seen the news and what the outcome is, we will not be able to decide. So maybe 5 minutes to the news, I will share another Zoom class, and then we'll look at the news and how we can interpret the news. Okay, we'll look at how we can interpret the news, what the news mean. Okay, yes, what the news mean. So that is that. So yes, people are interested in that. Say yes, please do that so that we can be live with you, sir. So that we see what the news will be. Okay, fine, that's fine. Another person is asking, should we close before the news? That is also another interesting question. But that is why I asked that you use a moderate lot size. but that would be a decision to take. Okay, one is saying 5 minutes will be too late. I should send it 10 minutes before the time, the news time. Okay. One is asking that how can they interpret the news? Okay, so maybe 5 minutes to the or 10 minutes to the news. We will look at how we can interpret the news. Okay, we'll look at how we can interpret the news. Maybe 10 minutes to the news. I will send a link to join, and then we'll look at how we can interpret the news. I'm sure we are okay with that. Yes. So that is that. Okay, this one says, this is your correct WhatsApp number. Yes. +233 246 136609. Yes, that is my correct WhatsApp number. Yes, that is my correct WhatsApp number. That is it. All right. Okay. So we are still here. We are still waiting to see. Gold is kind of pulling back again, but we are watching. We are keeping an eye. Let's look at Euro and see what Euro is also doing. Let's see what Euro is doing. Where is Euro? This is Euro. Okay. So this is Euro USD, also on 5 minutes. It's also pulling back a bit. We are here to see what happens. This is live trading, and it's on a live account. Yes, this is on a live account. So we are watching to see what happens. Yes. So we wait patiently. The news is coming in the next 40 minutes. It's like with 40 minutes to the news time. It's like with 40 minutes to the news time. So we'll keep an eye and see what happens. If there are no more questions, should we still stay and continue monitoring, or we should go and come back 10 minutes to the news? What do you think? Today is Wednesday. Yes, today is Wednesday, 20th of September, the year 2023. So one is asking, can I take another trade now on gold? I will say no for now. If you have already taken a few ones, allow them to run. Don't add more trades. Just allow the few ones you've taken to run. Okay? Just allow those ones to run. Don't add more trades. Yes. So just allow the few ones to run. Are we good? Yes. Okay. So we're still here to see what will happen. What will be the outcome of the news. So we're here to see what will happen. Is that okay? Yes. One is asking that how often will you be doing the live trades? It will be often, but I can't be sure how often, but it will be often. Yes, it will be often. Yes, it will be often, but how often is what I don't know, because we would have had maybe 3 sessions by now. Had it not been that on Tuesday, I didn't have light. I think I made that clear to you guys that on Tuesday, I wasn't having light. And because I wasn't having light, we couldn't have the live Zoom session. So the whole of this week, this is our first Zoom session. The ones I posted were just ordinary signals that I gave. And they all did very well. I'm sure you all enjoyed some pips out of that. You got some profit. Yeah, I'm sure you all got some profit. Okay. So if you all got some profit, then that's great. That's great. So we'll be doing more. We'll be doing more. Just that we will not be able to tell exactly when. It is when I'm able to see some good analysis out there. That is when I'll be able to come up with a trade that, okay, let's go for this trade. This one is asking, how will you be able to calculate 20 pips on my MT5? Okay. I think there's a video on YouTube already on how to calculate pips. I'm sure maybe you haven't seen that video. Maybe if you try that video, you'll really learn a lot. Honestly, if you have seen that video, I'm sure it will help you catch up or learn a lot of things. So try that video. It's there, how to calculate take profit and stop loss. There is a video like that on YouTube, on my YouTube channel, which is Leading Forex YouTube channel. So please try that video, and I'm sure it will be very easier, because during the live session like this, we may not be able to do all those things. Okay. Any more messages? No? Okay. Do you agree that we go and come back 10 minutes to the news? Okay, we have 10 minutes for this Zoom meeting to end. So maybe let's just wait for the 10 minutes for the Zoom meeting to end. I think gold has started some fireworks now. Let's see if it will continue. Gold has started some fireworks now to the downside. Let's see if that will continue. Yeah, because we have, and then the same thing with euro. Euro has also started. So let's see. Yeah, it's all good. We want to make profit. That's why we are here. So let's see. Yes, I'll get you a new link. Yes, I'll surely get you a new link. Okay. I'll get you a new link to join 10 minutes to the news. I'll get you a new link. It wouldn't be the same link. Yes. So 10 minutes to the news. When we come back, we will check these trades, what we should do, whether we should close them before the news or we should leave them. Now, I told you, gold is becoming crazy. It's beginning to move sell. Yes, gold is beginning to move sell. So let's keep an eye. Let's keep an eye. It's beginning to move sell, gold. Yeah, and you can see it now. You can see it now. The same with euro. Euro is also beginning to go wild. So let's keep fingers crossed. Let's keep fingers crossed and monitor. Keep your eye. Now, all of us are in profit because I'm the only one who entered this trade very late. But all of us, apart from me, all of you should be in profit by now. Apart from me, all of you should be in profit. If it's true, say yes. Let me take your message before we go. We have 8 minutes. Apart from me, all of you should be in profit by now. Apart from me, all of you. Let me know if it is a yes. Let me know if it is a yes. Okay. 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 I'm seeing those who took the trade. Someone said, I didn't take it. Okay. Gold and euro. This one said, I'm not trading. Okay. No problem. Those who took it, they are the ones I'm asking. Those who took the trade. By now, all of you should be in profit. Is it a yes? Are you all in profit? Oh, this one says, I'm not trading. I came in late. Sorry about that. Okay, this one says, I took the euro. Yes, it should also be in profit by now. All of you should be in profit by now. Yes, it's late to take the trade. Don't take it now because the news is coming. The news is coming. So if you haven't taken the trade, don't take it now. All right? If you haven't, don't take it now. Okay, all trades should be in profit by now. If you took them, they should, apart from me, all of you should be in profit by now. Apart from me, all of you should be in profit by now. Yeah. All of you. Yes, I'm in profit. Okay, I love that. I'm seeing the Emeka says I'm in profit. Okay. Okay. Some do not have names on them, so I'm not a. Chidima is asking, please, is it late to take the trade? Yes, it's late, Chidima. It's late to take the trade. It's late. Honestly, it's late. So we have news coming. In the next 30 minutes, we should be getting the news. So 10 minutes to the news, I'll send you another link into the groups for you to join. And then we'll look at whether to close the trades or we should wait for the news on the trades. Is that okay? Are we all okay? So please wait for my Zoom link, and another link will come soon for us to look at the news and see how it is. All right, so I'll end here. If you want to leave, you can leave for now. If you want to leave, you can leave for now. And then 10 minutes to the news, we will be back with a new link for us to see what to do. So if you want to leave now, you can leave. And then 10 minutes to the news, we will be back and see whether to close these trades or to allow them. I had almost about 40-something people, 48 people that joined. Thank you for joining. Thank you for coming. So gradually you can leave, and then 10 minutes to the news, we'll come back. 10 minutes to the news, we'll be here. Yes. This one says, Kofi, I have opted out the market because I'm using a big lot size. Okay, that's fine. At least you closed in profit. That's fine. If you closed in profit, that's fine. So far as you opted out with some profit, that is cool. That's very cool. Yeah. So no cause of alarm, no cause to worry at all. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Who else has a message for me? We have 5 minutes for this meeting to end. I still have 32 people here. It means people are still staying. They don't want to leave. So This one says, thank you for your time. God bless. Thank you too. I appreciate the love for coming. I appreciate the love for coming. So we'll keep an eye, and then 10 minutes to the news will come back because it's a USD news and it will affect gold and will also affect the euro trade. So we need to be here to monitor and be sure what to expect. Okay, you see, Ibrahim says, I also opted out because I have a small account. Oh, okay. Ikechuku says, thanks. Okay, Ikechuku, thanks too. Thanks too. Okay, Chuku, thanks too. For me, I'm here. The account is just $100, so I don't care about that much. So 10 minutes to the news, we will decide what to do, whether we should close, because now it is $39 loss. You remember, it went up to $70 loss. Now it's about $40, $39 loss. You see how it is. So sometimes trading, you may have to exercise patience. It's not all the time that you would have to be quick in taking some decisions. If you want to go quick on taking some decisions, you may end up making mistakes. So sometimes you just have to allow the trade to do what it wants to do, because it is not all the time that your entry will be right. There are times that your entry will be wrong, although you have done the analysis. So it comes that way, and then you just have to let it go. Yeah, when it comes that way, you just have to let it go. And then you catch a new one when a new trade presents itself. Do you get it? Yes. So that is how the whole stuff is. So trading is about having patience, allowing the trade to do what it wants to do. It's very, very important. If you do not have that patience, even if you lose it all, you can start again. You notice your mistakes, and then you start again. Yes. Oh, okay. So yes. All right. So that is trading. Sometimes you don't have to make some quick decisions. You don't have to. You have to wait and allow certain things to happen. When you lose, you lose. When you gain, you know that you have gotten it right and you are coming back stronger with more wins. If you lose, you just re-strategize yourself, because it's news. As for news, you will not know where the news will be going until the news is out. You can never tell. It can be positive and it can be negative. The outcome can be positive for the currency and can be negative for the currency. So if you do not know the outcome, you cannot be able to tell the direction that the market will be going. So in such situations, what do? That is why some people will prefer to wait for the news to be over before they pick some trades. There are others who also take the trades and then they manage their risk well, and then they are good to go. Even when the news comes and it is against them, they are still good to go. You get it? Yes. This one says, I have blown 2 accounts so far, a total of $150, but I'm not giving up on trading ever. Wow, I love the spirit. This is Rubin Muriki. Rubin Muriki. Charlie, you are a man, and I think we can do this. Yes, you can do it. You can do it. Trust me, you can do it. So never give up. Never, 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 never give up. Yes, that is my message to you. Never. Keep on trying. I'm sure you will finally settle on something. And once you do, trust me, that is the turning point of your life. Yeah, that will be the turning point of your life. Okay, I have 1 minute, less than a minute for this meeting to end. So expect another link in 10 minutes to the news. Now we allow with 28 minutes to the news. 28 minutes to the news. Johnson Emeka is also saying yes. He has also been through the same thing that Rubin Muriki has gone through. He has also lost some monies, but he's still not giving up. That is a big one. That's a bold decision, and I love that. I love that one. I love it. Seriously, I love that. Okay, so we will come back. We will come back, and then we'll continue. Thank you for staying. I'm grateful, and I'm glad you came. God bless you for coming.